Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle JDK 17 long-term support edition on Windows 11 with the Java underscore home environment variable configured. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Oracle JDK 17 for Windows as a zip file. So I am going to extract the content to one location. So I am going to extract in C drive. So extracted the content. So this is the directory structure of Oracle JDK 17. So bin directory contains lot of executables and DLL files. And this is include directory. Jmods directory. So Jmods directory contains Java modules. Java modules are nothing but packages, lots of packages, lib directory, and this is a lib directory. So now next step what I am going to do is I am going to create one environment variable. Right click this PC, properties. So here go to advanced system settings, environment variables. So environment variable, you can see two types of variables are there. One is user variable, another one is system variable. So if you want Java for all the users means set the environment variable under system variables. So I am pointing to JDK 17 Java underscore home environment variable. I am pointing to JDK 17. OK button. Okay. Next step is I am going to edit the path variable. So in the path variable, I am going to append the Java 17's home directory /bin. That is Java 17's bin directory I am going to append. So this is the syntax for appending the Java 17's bin directory to Windows path, so that all the commands Java 17 commands will be available in command line, Windows command line. Okay, that's it. All the environment variables are set. Now let me open the command prompt. Okay, just type Java version. Yes, so I can able to see that Java 17 commands I can able to execute. So Oracle JDK 17 installation on Windows 11 operating system is successful. Make sure that all the environment variables and path variables are set correctly.